So what that did is give me a little bit more clearance down here so that I'll have a little bit more threads up top. I'll show you what I'm getting at. Ooh. Alright, so right off the bat I'm thinking I'm going to need to soften those corners a little bit. I just realized I got to drill some holes here and here, and it'd be easier to do while this is a rectangle, so I can hold this in the vise. So I'm going to do that now. Oh man, this is turning out pretty cool. Check this out. Alright, so I got this brace up top here, and I got some stuff tacked in here. I may need to add another brace in here and maybe another one down here, but let's put it on the bike. Well, I'm quite happy with that. I think that's going to be strong enough. Let's weld it up. Alright, well, there's today's work. I'm quite happy with that. I think that's going to be a lot stronger than just the fork before. I even got a brace up here. So if this moves backward, I think the idea is that this would have to pull. You know, if this has to go back, this would have to pull down, and that's not going to happen up here. So I've really strengthened this joint right here, which is where it bent the first time. So yeah, that's going to be it for today. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe and tune in for the next one. I guess we're going to be tackling the front ski.